everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make cloud bread. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor and go down and hit that subscribe button below and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and hit that description box below where you will not only find the recipe for this video, but also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make cloud bread, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We have got 3 large eggs, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/3 cup of yogurt. Let's start making it. Alright, well the first thing you want to do is you want to turn your oven on. You want to turn it to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then get yourself your baking sheet or your cookie tray or whatever you call this and throw some parchment paper on there because we're going to be using the whole surface area of this for the cloud bread. Alright, then we're going to take our 3 eggs and we're going to separate them, the yolk and the egg white. So I'm just going to take and separate our eggs to get our yolk separated away from our whites. Alright, now we're going to take our egg whites that we separated out of there. We're going to add those into our mixer and throw our cream of tartar in there. Then we're just going to mix this on high speed until we get a little bit of a peak action on this egg whites. We'll show you when it's done. Alright, this is what you're going to be looking for when it's done. We want to make sure that there's some stiff peaks in that meringue or the whites that we've made there. So I'm going to set this aside for just a second. And we're going to go ahead and mix up our yolks that we got separated out of there with the yogurt that we've got. Okay, so that's mixed up. Now we're just gently going to fold in our egg whites that we have, and we're just going to mix this all up a little bit at a time. We have our pan that we put our parchment paper on. We're just going to take our mixture that we have and we're going to put about 6, let's call them loaves, right here on the sheet pan. Now there is more in the bowl. I want to point that out. There is more in the bowl, but we're going to leave them about this size just to see what they come out like. I'm going to put them in the oven right now, and we're going to put them in there for about 30 minutes or until they're lightly browned. Alright, here we go after a half hour in the oven at 300 degrees. I am going to let these cool before we even try to attempt to do anything with them. We're going to let them cool, and we're going to come back and we're going to taste them, but meanwhile I'm going to set these up in a nice photo shoot. We're going to take some awesome photos of it for social media, put those photos in the timeline with some groovy music. Then, and only then, will we come back and give these a try. Stick around. Well, that's a nice little photo shoot there. I have got the one that I put the peanut butter on. Needless to say, these are very, very delicate. I did was I flipped it over to where the side that was on the pan, the flatter side, and then I just gently put that peanut butter on there. It goes without saying that it's delicate, and hence the name, I suppose. But this is a very good for if you're on a low carb diet, or you're watching your carbs, or if you can't have any gluten. This is a good one for gluten-free diets as well, because there is absolutely no flour in this. So anyway, that being said, very delicate. You can put cream cheese on these, you can put peanut butter like I did, you can make sandwiches out of these with the breads. You make little pizzas. There's all kinds of different applications for this bread, but mainly it's a good alternative for a carb-free or a gluten-free diets. Now I'm going to go ahead and taste this and see what it tastes like. Wow. It's like air. There is no bread-like consistency at all to this. It's just air. Wow, I'm gonna have to try that on some different stuff. But there's a lot of things you can do with this. Like I said, the pizza, the sandwiches, you can use it for breakfast, for toast. I wonder if this would re-toast again. But very light. You can make these as big as you want too. You don't have to make them tiny like I did. You could also add other flavors into this as well. You can add colors into it to make it a different color. But this is a good starter recipe, baseline for you. I hope you try it out. Thanks a lot for watching. We made cloud bread. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like this video, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody that you know. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourself. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.